Homelessness describes the condition of people without a regular dwelling.
Homelessness is more than living without roof. A home is not just a physical space, it also has a legal and social dimension. Homelessness is about the loss of all of these. It is an isolating and destructive experiences, and homeless people are some of the most sensitive and socially excluded in our society. An estimated 100 million people worldwide were homeless in 2005. After the year of declining trends, in 2010 was marked by the turning point when all forms of homelessness began to rise. However, it is likely that homelessness will increase yet further, as the delayed effects of the economic downturn, cuts to housing benefit, and other reforms all start to bite. People become and stay homeless for a whole range of complex and overlapping reasons, and solving homelessness is about much more than putting a roof over the people's head. Many homeless people face a number of issues in addition to many people don't want to understand them. They are refusing to provide homeless people with a public service. Moreover, it's almost impossible to find a job for them.